All right, all right, all right, all right. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome to another day of our training. Today is day 7 of the graphic design training. I hope someone is excited. Someone is excited. You can just drop your comments to the comment section. Yeah, let me see how this course looks like to you. Yeah, you can drop it to the comment section. Yeah. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, and today is what? Day 7. Yeah, I'm so glad that many people are learning. Yeah, because that's one of my goals. For taking this course, I want many people to do what? To gain things, to know what you don't know in design. That's why I took my time, to take this course. Okay, so today will be another amazing time that we'll spend together. Yeah, just like what I used to tell you, that you will learn a lot. hmm In today's class, you're still going to learn a lot. Yes. So I will need your patience and your attention in today's class too, so that we can learn together and we can study things together. All right. Without wasting much of our time, yesterday we discussed getting inspiration. Getting inspiration. That was what we discussed yesterday, right? Okay. And don't forget what I told you. I said, as a designer, as a good designer, the last thing that you do when you have a project that you want to work on is what? Is to go to your system, go to your Photoshop, go to your CorelDRAW, go to your Pixel Lab. That's the last thing that you will do as a designer. mm. You don't just rush to a project. You don't just rush to Pixel Lab or Photoshop without having mm, without having the understanding of the project that you want to do. And I said, you do what? You make your thorough research on a particular project that you want to work on. Mm? You go online, you check other people's work before you can start working on your project. Combine those designs together and use them to do what? To form your own design. Those are the things we discussed yesterday. Yes, that's how you can become professional in your work. When you do what? When you check other people's works, you check other people's designs, and you use it to do what? To form your own design. And I told you where you can get your um inspiration. I gave you some websites. I talked about Instagram. I talked about Pinterest. I talked about free pick. Those are the places you can do what? You can get your inspiration from. All right. So today we're having another topic entirely. Today we'll be talking about design resources. I hope someone is excited. I hope someone is excited. We are talking about design resources today. So just like I used to tell you, that you will really learn a lot if you can listen to me attentively. You can follow me, from the beginning of this class to the end. You will really learn a lot. Okay. So talking about design resources. This is one of the things that designers don't joke with. We don't joke with design resources because that's what will make our work attractive. That's what will make it, amazing. Design resources is what will bring your work out, that will make your design to be very attractive. Now look at this design that you are seeing now. Hmm? You can see this design very clearly, right? So it is design resources that is making it to be amazing, to be attractive like this. Yes. And those are the things we'll be discussing one by one today. So design resources are the materials that we designers combine together or we use to do what? To form a design. Those resources that we gather together to design something is what we call design resources. I'm just trying to come to your level so that you can understand me because I know that we have many beginners here. So I don't want to make it complicated for you. So that's why I'm coming to your level. Okay, so just like what I said, design resources are those things that we'll be using today, that we'll be discussing in our class today. So without wasting much of our time, the first one we'll be talking about is images. Somebody say images. Okay, so now look at this picture. This is my picture now. You can see this is one of the design resources that we are saying. Now, if I do not use this quality picture in this design, do you think that this design will be attractive? No. Yeah, so images is one of the design resources that we'll be discussing today. It is your image that will make your work neat, that will make it attractive to your audience. You know, just like what I said yesterday, I said design is about communication. You are communicating to people with your design. So if your design is not communicating, mm, people will not understand the message that you are passing. Do you understand now? So you must use a good design resource, for your project so that your project can be amazing. Do you understand now? So now in today's class, I will be showing you different websites that you can get your design resources from. Those are the things we'll be discussing in today's class. Where can you get your high quality images? Where can you get your font, your typeface? Where can you get it? Where can you get your icons? That's one of the things we'll be discussing in today's class. Where can you get your logos? Mm? Those are the resources, those are the design resources we'll be discussing in today's class. So let's dive into it. So I want to show you like 3 or 4 websites where you can get your high quality images. 3 or 4 websites where you can get your high quality images. If you are with your pen and your notes, you can write it down. The number one website I'll be talking about is um on Splash. I hope everybody can see this one on Splash. On Splash is one of the websites that you can get your images from. UNSPLASH on Splash. Yeah. Okay. So this is the website. Now you can see how this website looks like. You can get different images from this website. You can get your stock images. You can get your um backgrounds, whatever things that you need for your design, whatever resources that you need for your design, you can get it from this website. Let's say I'm looking for an image now. Let's say an image of a pupil. An image of a pupil now. Can you see? High quality images. High quality images. Let's say I want to use this one now. I can just pick this one. Can you see? You can see how this picture is very clean and sharp. Can you see now? Even you don't need to edit this one. You can just use this one on your project because you can see that this picture is clear enough. And the mistake that most people used to do, especially beginners, they will just go to Google. They will go to Google and now say, okay, oh, image of a pupil. Now see what, oh, sorry. Okay. What is it bringing for me? Okay, let me say image of pupils then. Image of pupils. Let's see what it will bring. Okay. Now you can see what Google is giving you. You can see that this picture are blurry. You cannot use them for your design. So that's why I'm showing you the website that you can get your high quality images from. Mm? So, and the name is what? Unsplash. So that's number one. You can get different pictures from it, stock images, and so on and so forth. Mm? You can see different pictures that you want. You can get it from this website. Look at this one. For your projects, different project that you want to work on, just come to Unsplash, search for it, and you will see your resource. Okay, because of our time, the next one is Pixel. Pixel. Pexelx. Pexels. Pixel. So you can also get your quality images from Pixel. Can you see? Let's search for something here. Let's say okay, let's just say image of footballers. Let's see. Can you see? Let's take a look at this one. Let me go back. Image of an artist. Let's see. Can you see? Quality images. Hmm? What again that you want? Let's say you want to design um okay, let's say you want to design a birthday flyer now. Hmm? You can say birthday birthday pictures. Let's see. Birthday pictures. Can you see? This one is giving you different backgrounds. Can you see? Just search for, ask for whatever you want to design, whatever resources that you need. Ask Pixel. Can you see? It will give you different things that you want. Can you see now? Okay, so then the next one I want to show you is Pinterest. I think I showed you that one yesterday. Pinterest is one of the website that I use every day, almost every day, almost every day. I use Pinterest because this is one of the best websites that we designer use. Mm? It's one of the best website though. You can see how quality those images are. Stock images. Stock images. Can you see now? Look at this one now. Let's say you want to design for someone that want to do data services. You can use this quality image. Can you see? You just go to this place, you download it. That's all, free of charge. Can you see? Hmm? Look at this one now. You can see that this is what this person used. This particular image, this is what this person used to design this thing. Can you see now? So in Pinterest, you can get quality images. Can you see? Look at this one too. Look at this one. Stock images. You can even do it this way. You can say image of a man walking in his office. Can you see? Image of a man walking in his office. Can you see? Can you see? You can just pick anyone of your choice. Can you see? Very clean. Look at this one. I've used this picture before. In one of my design. I've used this particular picture. So this is where you can get your resources from. You can see those high quality images. Can you see now? Look at this one. You can say image of a person feeling happy. Can you see now? Image of a person feeling happy. You can see Pinterest will give you. Hmm? Can you see? Can you see? So those are the places you can get your design resources from. Then the last one I will talk about is free pick. Free pick. Free pick is FREEPIK. FREEPIK. Free pick. Now, this one you can get mock-ups, you can get images, you can get icons, you can get whatever you are looking for your design. You can get it in this free pick. Let's say you need let's say you need image of of a okay, let's say image of an old man. Can you see? Free pick will give you. Can you see? Very clean and sharp. Hmm? Very clean and sharp. Can you see? This is where you can just search for whatever you want to design, whatever resources that you need. Okay, so that's images. Those are the places you can get your images from. All right, because of our time. So those are the places you can get your images from. Now the next one is your font. Your typeface. Where can you get your typeface? Where can you get your font? That's another thing we want to discuss. Hmm? So if you want to get your font, let's say you know one font that you would like to use in your project. So just come to this website, DAFONT, the font, DAFONT. That is where you can get your font from. Okay, so you can see how this website looks like. Just search for any font of your choice. Hmm? Let's say you are looking for Poppins. Poppins. Can you see? Oh, let me search for it. Poppins. Can you see now? Different fonts. So you can just download it. So don't worry, in our next class I will show you how you can install your font to your laptop and to your phone. For those of you that don't have laptop, that you want to be using your phone for the design, when we start our practical, it is your phone that you want to use. Don't worry about that. I will show you how you can install fonts to your phone. And for those of us that have laptop, that will be using laptop for the practical, I will also show you how you can install your fonts to your system when you start your practical. All right. So this website is where you can get your font from. Different font. Just know the name. Hmm? Area Black. Can you see? Any font of your choice you can see it here. Then another website is what we call Google Fonts. Google Fonts. Also get your font from Google Fonts. Can you see? Just come to this place, search for it. Hmm? Google Fonts. You can get your font from Google Fonts. Search for whatever font that you want. Can you see? Different fonts are there. And don't forget what I told you about fonts. Font is what will bring your work out, that will make your work attractive, that will make it look attractive and amazing. It is the type of font that you will use. If you use a very bad font for your design, it will spoil your design. Oh. So make sure that your font that you want to install mm, is readable, is visible to people, because that's what people will be reading in your design. So make sure that you pick amazing fonts for your design. Okay. So then the last one I will discuss is um 10001 font. 10001 font. 10001 font. You can just write it down so that you don't forget it. 1001. No, 1001. Yeah, this one. Just click on it. You can also get your fonts from this place, from this website. Just search for it, then you download. All right. So those are. Then the next thing I would like to talk about is how you can get your icon. Let's say you want to download Facebook icon, Instagram, TikTok. Where can you get that one? You can get that one from iconfinder.com. Iconfinder.com. You can write it down. Iconfinder.com. That is where you can get your icon from. Sorry about that. Let me type it again. Iconfinder, yeah, .com. Okay. So just search for any icon. Let's say you are looking for Facebook icon. Can you see Facebook icon? You can download it to your system. Let's say I don't have Facebook icon on my laptop and I need this one, so I can actually download it. I will just click on this icon. PNG. Now what does PNG mean? PNG means without background, no background. So if you download it in PNG, you won't see any background in this icon. That's what it means. Do you understand? So it has been downloaded. I can just go to my I can go to my download to check it. Can you see? Let me open it. So as you are seeing this one, it does not have any background. It does not have any background. Okay. So that is where you can get your icon. You can get your icon from that place. Let's say you're looking for TikTok. TikTok icon. Can you see? Can you see? So that's all about that. That's all about that. So those are the things that you'll be using for your design. If you have them ready, you have your images, you have your fonts, you have your icon, everything is ready. Then you now move to um your Pixel Lab or your CorelDRAW or your Photoshop, whatever app that you want to use, whatever software that you want to use for your design. Then you now go there. You will first gather all your resources. You gather everything together before you can say you want to start working on a project. The number one thing I say you will do is to do what? To do your thorough research. You go online, check other people's works, gather them together to form your own design. Feed your eyes with amazing design. Feed your eyes with amazing design before you start working on it. Then you download your resources. You download if you know that you need your images, you download image. You need font, you download fonts. You need icons, you need background.